Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can enable back forward caching in Chrome. For example, we'll be using many sites. For example, if I visit this site and if I visit more sites from this browser, and if I go on back and forward with these buttons, the previous button what we visited on the Chrome gets faster loading with this option, which is back forward caching on Chrome. How to enable this? It is very simple. Just you need to browse through this particular URL on your Chrome browser. This may be on the desktop or the Android. So I'll show it on the Android also, and I'll drop this link in the description. If you want, you can go through that. Once you visit Chrome colon slash slash flags, you need to search as back forward. The same I'll show you on Android also. See here, by default this is in the default state. You can click on enabled. That's it. Now you can click on this and relaunch the Chrome so that back and forward caching is now enabled on your Chrome browser. The same I'll show you on the Android also. As I said, I'll show you on Android. This is on my Android, and I open my Chrome browser, and everything is similar, nothing different. But just for the sake, I'm just showing you. You can just visit Chrome colon slash slash flags and search as back and forward, and same options will be here. There is nothing different. Yeah, here you can just click on enabled. That's it. Relaunch the Chrome. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.